the importance of the windmill. Every single day, when you are living in the countryside, of course, you might see a windmill, a lot of windmill, right? So have you ever wondered what are these kind of structures are being made for? Well, let me tell you. Well, during the long time ago, people have a way to find sources of making electricity, but they kind of used to have real difficulty. Well, the windmill will help contract it of the electricity and have the water movements. This is happening in the environmental. In everyday life, in everyday environment, we are surrounded by thousands and thousands of species and thousands of natures that are created by our Earth. Well, but as you can see, windmills are contracted and they're actually helping all of these nature went from worse to getting better because they're helping a lot. During agriculture, even though people might not understand a lot, they're thinking like it's kind of like a responsibility to helping these, but no. Scientists have found a way, and a lot of people around the world, people in search of new words, and they're thinking that the best solution and the best idea of all the times is to be actually building all these windmills. Well, windmills nowadays are more like white and they have only 3 wings. And like the fans is like a big fan, and which causes by this will store some energy, store some wind. So it will help and it will make the wind to make push it into the electrical side or the energy side. Well, this is when they're outside. They actually use and store a lot of wind, right? And also air. But as you can see, have you ever wondered why all these windmills are built in the countryside and a place there was no one where to live? Well, windmills sometimes can be dangerous because when it was built in a road, near a road. For example, this is the road, right? And 2 of these sides is where the windmills are being made. But have you know ever yet? Because people don't usually build these windmills in the city because it causes a lot of damage, a lot of accident during car accidents, motorcycle accidents, vehicle accidents during this. Because sometimes during bad weather, the windmill could be broke down and which causes a lot of pain to our human being. But in the countryside, it's more people, and actually some other places that don't have any people at all. So which means that they actually use the windmill there. It will be more safer, more useful, and it will help our earth will become more fresh. The energy that is stored are being made and being collected and stored again. And this causes the air from really dirty, but now it's really clean because it's made really clean and it's stored after and after every time. Sometimes we confuse because we don't know yet, right? I confuse a lot about this, but when I learn, I was studying more. Well, tomorrow in my technology class, I will build a windmill made by me and also from other students too. But if you want to study more, if you ever wanted to be a pathologist or other people who are really in search of these incredible fans, the big white fans, then you need to be studying more, think more, and listen carefully to our director or maybe a tour guide if you ever visiting the windmill. Thank you guys so much for your attention and listening. Thank you.